everyone, welcome to Main Street and Mickey, and we are back. We are back with my camera. I'm so happy I don't have to worry about my iPhone storage right now. I'm just so happy to be using my camera again. So shout out to my best friend who I stayed with in Florida, where I left my camera charger. She sent it back to me very nicely and I love her for it. So today we had a very long weekend at home, which has been very nice. And today, it's a rainy day. I just have a comfy, like very big sweatshirt or shirt on and just kind of relaxing, just enjoying. And then the mail comes. And I'm like, oh, hopefully my camera battery, like charger will be in there and a couple other things I ordered. Never did I think that this would be here today. I am so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I didn't think this is the earliest it's come for a while. So I am pumped. I can't wait to open this. It's a pretty big box that I've gotten lately, so I'm excited about that. I made my preferences for this month to be it's kind of school related since I start my first teaching job next month. Well, I mean, I've already started, but like classes start back next month, so. But just real quick about this subscription service, it's Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, and if you haven't heard of it, which I'm sure you have, they're awesome. These ladies make up these boxes and they just do amazing. I've never been disappointed. They're so spot on. It's like they read my mind. It's amazing. And like I believe I do the wishes. I think it's like $45, $49 a month. But I'll put the link to all that down below because this is such a fun little treat every month and I just absolutely love it. I think one month I'm going to treat myself and upgrade to one of the higher boxes just for fun. But I love this one. Like it's amazing. I've never been disappointed. So excited. And look, sorry, I'm losing my voice. Look at all the detail on it. Now they have added the Sorcerer Mickey hat. That didn't used to be on there. And I feel like they changed I think they added the Alice cup on there. It looks a little bit different, but it looks amazing as always. And I can't wait to open it. Okay. And I never have scissors to open it. So let's see. Yeah, this is a bigger box than I've gotten. But it's not. But like, okay, last month, if you watched last month's, I had a small box and a big item in there. It was amazing. Put the link to that down below. Okay. Oh, that wasn't too hard. Okay, I'm good. Okay. A very merry unboxing day to you. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe that it's possible. Isn't that cute? They put one of these in there every time and it's a different character every time. This is the March Hare. Look who he has. Mrs. Potts and Chip. So cute. And then this is the spoiler alert. But look at that picture. I don't want to see what's in it. Okay, so I'll show you the spoiler thing later because I don't want to accidentally see something. So I'm just going to get into it. This is so fun. What is this? What? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I got a Gym Shorts edition and you'll never guess who it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so part of my preferences was I told them that I'm an English teacher, so like any fun Disney books, anything, you know, like that. And you know, they just kind of went above and beyond. Oh no, I heard something move. I hope it's not broken. Okay. Please don't be broken. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, look. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's Belle, the Disney bookworm herself. And I am gonna be an English teacher, so I like made comments on there like, you know, any books or anything just fun to decorate with. And oh my gosh, I love this, girls. And Bibbidi Bobbidi, you are amazing. And I've told them in my preferences as well, because you can customize these preferences, I mean, to a T. And it's amazing. And I specifically said I've been wanting to grow my Jim Shore collection, and so to get this one, oh my goodness, thank you, girls, so much. Ah, okay. I don't know what else is in here. What else? Oh, cool. Oh my gosh. This is kind of random, but it's also really cute because I did say I love Star Wars. It says, Wookiee hair, don't care. So that gives me another tumbler, so that's very nice. Thank you. I love that. That's cute. Wookiee hair, don't care. No! Oh, how cool. Okay, this is the last thing, but it's really cute because I was just thinking today that I needed like a thing of hand sanitizer for school because it's the school year. And look at the one they got me. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cool is that? Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, I love it. I don't think the hand sanitizers are scented, so. But that's really neat. And I think I also mentioned, maybe I mentioned on there that I was going to Galaxy's Edge too. Because this is definitely going to be with me at Galaxy's Edge because I'm going to the opening day. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. And you know, teachers, we all need hand sanitizer for sure, even in high school. So there's that again. It has Kylo Ren. Ah, oh, that's so cool. And it's the keychain. So that's really neat. I love it. And that was a Disney Park exclusive. So they always give you one of those. And last month it was a pen, and this month it's that. So that's kind of cool. I really like that. Very nice. Very nice. And make sure there's nothing else in there. 3 items sounds about right. Oh my gosh. How? Okay, I love the other 2 Star Wars things, but this one, I wanted one of these Jim Shores forever. So for them to pick this one of all, oh, I love it. And she has a good face. I'm not always a fan of the faces, but she has a really good face. Oh, so cute. Oh, okay, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I love this box so much. Okay, so let's look at their thing. Oh, what a cute picture. Look, it's the Fab 4 on a monorail. So, yeah, the Wookiee hair don't care was $18.99. The Disney Parks, I get the Dream Box, by the way. Sorry, I thought it was Wishes. It's Dreams. It's the Dream Box. Disney Tradition, Jim Shore, Belle Be Kind, 26. Tervis Star Wars Wookiee hair don't care, $18.99. And then the Disney Parks exclusive hand sanitizer was $9.99. So retail value of $54.98. So that's pretty cool. I am very happy with this box. I probably will put on there next time that I don't want any more Tervis tumblers because I really don't need any more. But this one is super cute and I love it. So, but oh, I love my Jim Shore. Love it so much. Oh, that was such a fun, I love it. I'm so glad I got my camera today, and this is such a fun rainy day. I love it. So if you haven't like subscribed to the subscription box company, you need to go do it now. It's amazing and totally worth it, trust me. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that as well because we have a lot of videos like this. We have just fun park tips, we have park videos from our trips, and we'll have some Christmas, like planning for our Christmas trip coming up soon, and then I will have Galaxy's Edge videos as well from opening day. I can't wait to share those with you. And that, oh, and we'll also be having some, I'm hoping to do some teacher-y videos, kind of like Disney and teacher, kind of in the same, seeing how I can mix those together, because Andy and I are both teachers, and we both love Disney, so it makes sense now to kind of add that into the mix of things. So we'll see how that goes. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment below, let me know what your favorite thing that I got in here was, and let me know if you've ever done the subscription box and what you love about it. So I hope you all have a really magical day, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and come back for more. But above all else, I hope you have a magical day. Bye!